So I'm going to welcome on our first speaker of the day. So Caroline Collins is going to come up onto the stage. Can we give her a round of applause? A big round of applause for our first speaker of today. Shannon's clapping. So Caroline, welcome today to NexGen College and Career Expo. So Caroline Collins, you are the Business Development Manager and Head of Lending from Tullamore Credit Union, our main sponsors, and as we know, we cannot hold this event without a main sponsor, so we're very appreciative of it and we're delighted to have you here today. So Caroline, I think first off, we'll start off by asking you, how does the student loan process work?
Well, I'm going to ask my colleague Olive up in a minute just to answer those questions for you, if that's okay.
Brilliant.
I literally just want to do the introduction, first of all, on behalf of Tullamore Credit Union. My role has slightly changed in that I'm now the Deputy CEO of Tullamore Credit Union, so there's a lot of career choices that can be made if you join the credit union as well, and you can go up the ladder very, very quickly.
Goes to show.
Yeah, that's it, that's it. So basically, we just want to wish everyone a really nice day here today and tomorrow. I think what Midlands 103 are doing is absolutely exceptional because you're getting out to every single school in the Midlands. You're presenting every opportunity in front of them and showing them what the career paths available are. So it's absolutely fantastic. And Tullamore Credit Union are absolutely thrilled to be the sponsor of the inaugural Career and Expo show. And we'd love to hear some feedback from today because we'd like to see this going on next year and the year after.
Brilliant.
So we're absolutely thrilled to be involved. So I'm going to invite my colleague Olive, who is the loans controller, up on the stage, and she's going to go through the benefits of the student loan and the offerings we have for students and for parents who are embarking on the career path, whether it's an apprenticeship, a PLC or a third level course.
Brilliant. Thank you so
very
much, Caroline, for that. Thanks a million. So while we get Olive mic'd up, I'll talk you through a few of the things that we have coming up next. So we're also going to have speakers today we have the assistant principal from Chagas, so that's Kildalton College in County Kilkenny. So if anyone has any interest in that, make sure you're here for 10:25. Then our third speaker, we're going to have a lecture in Applied Social Studies from Carlow College. So that's talking about social care and social work. So if you have any interest in that, be here for 11:15. Now we will have a slight break between each speaker, so you will have a chance to go around the stands in between those. Then our fourth speaker, we're going to have the Student Recruitment Officer, who's going to be speaking all things CAO, and that's at 11:50 a.m. So if that's something you want to hear, make sure you come back for that time. So I think Olive is ready to come up onto the stage. Give her a big clap. Olive, how are you?
Good morning to you. I'm good. I'm very good.
So Olive, you are here from Tullamore Credit Union, and we're going to throw so many questions at you today.
Are you?
So all the students know exactly what to expect. So can we talk about the student loan process? How does that work?
Okay, can you hear me here? Sorry, Matt. You hooked up?
Move it up there.
Sorry.
Now.
Okay. So, as Caroline has said, we're delighted in Tullamore Credit Union to be involved in this occasion today. We in the Credit Union want to make sure that our members have no obstacles for them going to college, that there's no obstacles created no matter what avenue they decide to go down, that there's an avenue there for them created by the Credit Union. We offered a tailored loan package to suit the members' needs, is what it is. So we will, if it's a 4-year college course, we will offer a loan package for 4 years plus our 5 years term. So we'll structure it over a 9-year repayment, reduced repayments to suit the students' needs.
Okay,
so that's the main thing. It's very simple to go through the process.
Yeah.
And we will deal and speak to the student, no matter what they need. Please come in and talk to us in order for us to put a package together for them, because they're all tailor-made for each individual student.
That's great. So it's great to hear that. So students don't need to worry because it will be adapted to their needs.
Absolutely. 100%.
Fantastic. And can they apply online?
They can apply online, absolutely.
Okay.
The web. We also offer our current account and our online service for them, and they work in tandem with their loans. We will draw it down in stage payments, that they will only get what they need at the different terms, say for September, Christmas, after Christmas, for the different semesters.
That's
to pay.
great.
So they're only paying interest on what they have drawn down. So I mean, at all times we're trying to save money for the member and the guarantor
Brilliant. So it's going to be broken down. It's not a difficult thing to apply for.
Absolutely
as you say,
not.
It's going to be tailored to their needs. And what sort of supporting documents then would they need to apply?
Well, the standard supporting documents, which is 99% of our student loans are all guaranteed by a parent or a guardian. So it will be their supporting documents. The student will just need their letter of offer that they've got, their acceptance that they've accepted their college place, and their fees, how much they are, and their accommodation costs, how much they're going to be as well.
Okay, and from a student's point of view then, why do the parents need to be involved, or how does that end of it work?
Because the student doesn't have an income.
Yes.
Okay?
Right.
The student's not earning money, they're spending it at the time, you know what I mean? So it's a big cost for them. So that's where we need the parents to come in to guarantee. When the student finishes college, they then take over and they start working. They take over the repayments then, and then we would restructure the payments then at a different rate to suit.
Fantastic. And then also from a student's point of view, can they pay it back quicker?
Absolutely.
How does that
That's
work?
the big thing about the credit union.
Okay.
There's no penalties for paying back a lump sum.
That's brilliant.
They can tailor it to suit them. They can increase the payments to pay more when they've come out of college, you know, and they're working and they have the big salary. Then they can increase and pay more, pay it off quicker. They can pay it off in one lump sum if they wish. There's no penalties for that. It's only interest that's outstanding up to the
Okay, so as corners they move through their career and their education, it will be tailored
tailored
to
100%
them.
to them. And when they come out then, we're there for them for their car loans, for their career packages starting off,
The
for
whole lot.
the deposit on their first property, we're there for the whole lot. You know, and even their mortgage then when it comes time for that.
There you go. You're well set up in Tullamore Credit Union.
We're there for the whole lot. It's a lifetime thing. We're there for.
That's brilliant. So once you join the Tullamore Credit Union, you won't be missing out on anything.
We're there, as everyone knows, to look after our members 110%,
Brilliant.
and that we pride ourselves in doing.
Fantastic. And can we talk through student budget planner and how would students go about this kind of a thing?
Okay, when the student comes in to apply for the loan, we have a budget planner as such, and they will complete that with us, and that's where we will guide it down and see, does it need to be paid out, what do they need to be paid out now in one lump, you know, to start with, what do they need to be paid out on a weekly or monthly basis.
Okay.
And we will structure that with them giving us the info of what they need at that time, and then we'll pay it out as it suits them.
Fantastic. And then how can people contact the office? Who do they need to ask for any special offers or anything?
There's a team of loans officers there. Any of them are available to help them. They can do it over the phone, they can do it over the web, they can come into the office, whichever suits them, we're there to.
Fantastic. And what does a typical student loan look like for someone who doesn't know or who hasn't applied for one yet?
Okay, well, just to give you an idea, if somebody's doing, say, a 4-year degree course,
Yes.
okay, and generally they need more in first year than they would need in the other subsequent years, because you have to start up in first year as regards laptop, books, you know, the whole lot of general things to go with it. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay? So what we generally do is, if I just give you an example of, say, if it's over 4 years, say we're looking at, say, maybe a figure of, say, we'll just take a figure, for example, say 14,000 for the first year.
Okay.
And 10,000 for the other 3 years.
Yes.
So we will tailor the repayments there on 44,000 based out over 9 years.
Okay.
Which is the 4 years of the course plus 5 years, which is our longest term.
So everything's broken down.
So everything's broken down,
Brilliant.
so the payments will be really reduced. You know what I mean? Because you're putting it over 9 years, and you're only paying interest on what's outstanding each year. Okay?
Fantastic.
And again, if we pay it out in 3 different, stages in that year.
Different installments.
Yes.
It can be done in.
Yeah.
That's fantastic. And then what's the career start package in Tullamore
Career Start
Credit Union?
package, as I said, is we're there when the member comes out of college and has finished to help them to get their start up. If they need to pay a deposit on an apartment, wherever they're going, kind of a down payment on that. They may need to get, different things they need for starting the new job, placing work, a car, whatever. That's where the career one comes in.
Fantastic. And then what's a reduced rate car loan? Or what does that even mean for those who haven't gone near the subject yet?
Reduced rate car loan is our loan we offer for cars, which is a reduced rate, a Pacific rate, which is tailored again to meet the needs of the members.
Okay.
So, I mean, we want to catch everything here for our members.
Yeah.
That's why the career path, the reduced car loan rate, we have the green car loan rate as well. If somebody wants to go with their electric car, whatever, we have a special rate for that as well.
Brilliant.
So we're tailored to suit whatever.
Tailored to suit everything.
Yes. So once our members start with us with their student loan, we're there for them through life.
That's fantastic. And then Olive, where can the current account debit card be used?
that can be used anywhere where they see a Maestro sign. So that's available to them worldwide. That can be used.
Okay. So everything from Tullamore Credit Union, from the minute you step in the door, is going to be tailored to students.
Absolutely.
It's, you know, it's going to follow them
The
right
students
through.
are our future, and
That's
we're
very
there
important.
to service them.
Yeah.
And we will work with them to tailor what suits them at their different stages in their life.
Fantastic. And if people want any more information or to follow up on anything we've
Please
spoken
call
about
in.
today,
There's a loans officers there, a team of loans officers there. Ring us, do it on the web, whichever means suits you. We're there to help.
amazing. Olive, thank you so much, and Caroline, for coming today and for the insight. Can we give Caroline a big round of applause, and Olive?
Thank you.
Thanks a million, Olive. So, if anyone is interested in hearing a talk from Teagasc, Kildalton College, County Kilkenny, make sure you come back here for 10:25, and we'll have James Ryan, the Assistant Principal from Teagasc. Thanks a million, everyone.